Alright, hi guys. I am like so nervous because I have to get ready for my engagement shoot, which it's 3:08 and we are leaving the house at 4. So I have less than an hour to do my nails, to do my hair, and to do my face. Let's just get started. I'm gonna start off with one base coat of nail polish. This is not the color of my dress. This is the color of my dress, but this nail polish is like way too sheer. It doesn't work for me. Nope, 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 nope. This is too streaky. I don't know what's happening. Can you tell I'm nervous? Like, no, I can't do that. It's too streaky. Wow. I'm gonna go in with the color of my actual dress and just paint my nails that color. Very hard to get your brushes out of your holder when your nails are wet. Like, why did I think this is gonna be a good idea? All right, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush that's dry and go into sort of a maroon shimmery color and start working into my crease line. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, kind of mixing like a matte mauve and a dark brown. And I'm going back in there. Alright, my skin's feeling a little bit dry because I just went and washed it, so I'm gonna go in with a Mystic Primer Serum. My hands are clean, so I'm just gonna put the gel on my hands and put it where I feel like I need it the most. Next, I'm going to feel so much better if I just frame my face. So I'm going to go in with my brow gel. This is in the shade Deep Brunette from Sahi Cosmetics. And I get both sides wet with product, or coated, not really wet because it's a pomade. And I start off at the bottom and I create my first line. And then I raise my eyebrows and fill in any of the gaps. I like to make hair-like motions to sort of mimic the way that my natural hair lays. Again, making the initial line, raising my eyebrows, and then filling in any of the gaps that I can see. Next I'm going to take the eyeshadow Valencia. It's this beautiful sunset red type of color and it has good color and pigment payoff, shimmer payoff. And I'm just going to pat that near and around my crease line, maybe a little bit below. I don't see any fallout at all right now, which is really good. Next, I'm gonna go in with our lighter pink shade. It's called Jaipur. Again, our cream metallic foil shadows looks just like this. Shimla is more like a beige color, and then Jaipur is like a very, very light pink. Like that tone. I don't really know how to explain it. I just realized I don't know where my felt tip liner is, but I need that to finish this look. Alright, I wiped my finger off, and then next I'm actually going to take Shimla and go very close to my lash line, my upper lash line. Here's Shimla, it's the beige version of our metallic foil shadows. And that's how it looks on the finger. It's more of a yellow base to it. And this I'm just gonna pack on like very close to my lash line, near the center. I need to pick a little bit more up for this eye. The thing is, it transfers very easily onto your lid when you're using your finger, which is what you want your eyeshadow to do, is go onto your face. Alright, that looks good. I need to go find my felt tip liner. I feel like I'm missing an inner corner highlight, so I might go in and do that after. Alright, next up, foundation. Alright, next up I'm going to take the Sahi Cosmetics contour palette, use the cream correcting color. Now I'm using our under eye concealer in the shade Light. I'm going to set it in place with our brightening translucent powder. I'm also going to set some areas where I know I crease a little bit because I have like pre-wrinkles. Just like a couple of lines that are forming up here. Alright, next I'm going to go in and contour my nose with the contour palette. I'm also going to take that contour and kind of chisel my cheeks a little bit. Again, I'm going a little bit heavy-handed here because we are going to be taking pictures and you want these colors to actually show up in the images. Next, I'm going to go in with our baked blush called Rose Gold. And we're just gonna buff it out, keep buffing so nothing gets attached to any of my patchy skin from the chemical peel. Alright, we're gonna take some of the blush on the chin, bounce that light back to your face, put some on the temples, tie the whole look in together. I think I need one more coat of nail polish, but I'll do that in the car. Time to put in our hair extensions. I got these from Beauty Works. It's a company from London, I believe. Well worth the international shipping because I really like the highlights that are already built in. It's kind of darker at the top, so it's just like my roots. Is my part centered, babe?
What do you mean by that?
Like my cheetah? Middle cha?
हाँ जेड़े इधर नहीं ना इन्हें इधर कर लो.
अच्छा.
They are like ऐदा हो गए. Middle point लबना पड़ा. बस.
Alright guys, we just hiked a mile up, oh this is pretty, to the point where we're going to be taking our photos. There's my dress. Alright, we're gonna start getting ready to take our pictures, probably hide out in some bushes and change. And yeah, let's do casual first.
Should I change?
Alright guys, we'll be right back. Alright, until next time guys. Bye.